Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today I will explain how to take the benefit of student version of Alteryx and how to install Alteryx on your system. So for this, you will go in Google and you will write down Alteryx free trial for students. You will click on the first link, that is Students Spark at Alteryx. Now, you can click on Start Learning from here and you will fill up the details. For example, I'm just writing down some name, John, Alex. Then the month in which he is born, the email provided by the university, John Alex, the country, depending upon the country, the name of the college or the university, for example. The anticipated month of the graduation. Make sure that it is a relevant month. Otherwise, it will not activate. Area of study, you can select any one of them, which is applicable to you. Plan of use, learning. Your LinkedIn profile, if you are having it. And then you will have to press the next button. After this, a screen will appear where it will ask any three documents. Any one of them will serve the purpose. Your school ID card with the expiration date, your class schedule, or the tuition receipt. You can drag and drop. Your file can be in JPG, JPEG, PNG, PDF, GIF, or BMP. You can browse also and you can bring the file here. And your file will get connected. After that, it will verify your status as student. If it is successful, then you will get a mail on your university mail describing that your enrollment is successful, and it will also give you the key. Let me show you how it will look. You will get this type of email where the product name will be there, the part name, quantity, the start date, expiration date, and the license key will be there. The student license key will appear. Now, the next thing which you have to do is, you will have to go back here and click on the free trial. Click here, free trial. And again, click on this desktop version, start the free trial. Fill up your details and give the same email which you had written there. Ensure that you tick these three boxes, confirm, and your exe file will start running. After this exe file is completed, when the installation is completed, after your installation process is completed, it will ask for the license key. Please provide the email address which you had mentioned there, your university email, and the key which you got in that email. Paste the key here, copy and paste it here, and activate it. And your Alteryx designer will start working. So this is a way a student version can be activated of Alteryx. For more videos on Alteryx, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Alteryx.